There's so much misinformation on Ayurveda out there. I think the first is the doshas. Like, I think that the doshas are a concept that are so foundational to Ayurveda, and it's a concept that is way more vast than we kind of see in pop Ayurveda or like fast Ayurveda. It gets complicated because the doshas are really a combination of two elements, and it creates a pattern that we see in our bodies and in the natural world, but they are really more related to ways in which we go out of balance. And people often misunderstand that their imbalance is not the same as who they are. So in Ayurveda, we have two terms in Sanskrit to differentiate that. One is called Prakriti, which is your birth constitution or your constitution at the time of conception, and then your Vikriti, which is your current state of health or your current state of imbalance. And those could be the same doshas or they could be different. So when we're talking about the doshas, we have these three constitutions, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And Vata is a combination of space and air, and when it's out of balance, it leads to a lot of flightiness. So constipation, dryness, anxiety, trouble sleeping. Whereas Pitta is more fiery. It's fire and water. And it's a combination that can lead to loose stools, irritability, anger, burnout, lots of heat in the body. And Kapha is earth and water. It's an imbalance that can lead to heaviness or stagnation or more of a freeze. And all three of those, anybody can experience those at different times in their life based on stress, based on age, based on what you're eating, various factors. But that doesn't mean it's who you are. And the doshas are really different, where Vata, Pitta, or Kapha people can have imbalances in any of them. So just to clarify that there's a difference between your constitution and your imbalance, I think is a really important clarification when it comes to Ayurveda and the doshas.